What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're going to be doing a Beetlejuice Glam eye makeup look. I'm kind of thinking like something like stripes, something liner, white and black stripes. I've seen a lot of these on Instagram, but I actually did do a sketch myself, and I thought of the colors and exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm trying to do doing like a Beetlejuice graphic liner glam look. Might throw in a little bit of glitter. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, so let's dive into it. Okay, so my foundation, concealer, and everything's all done. I already have powder on. I used that before filming. I also put on some eye primer on my eyelids, so that way the eyeshadow will be more pigmented and it won't crease. So yeah, so anyway, so next I'm using the Kat Von D Beauty Divine palette. This one's limited edition. I don't know if they still have it, but it was on sale for like $20 for like quite a bit of time. So I did get it when it was on sale, so I don't know if they still have it. I don't think so. But if they do, definitely get this palette. It's really awesome. I love it. Especially I love this blue. But anyway, so enough of that. Let's see, which brush are we going to use? We're going to be using this flat eyeshadow brush. It's from e.l.f. It was only $1 at Target. Probably find them at any like other like grocery store or Walmart or whatever. But anyway, so next I'm using this white shade called Peanut Trouble, which is a white eyeshadow. You can use whatever white eyeshadow you want. I'm just going to be dipping my brush into that. And I'm going to try to start like filling out like a thick wing liner shape. And I'm going to do it like bigger, like really thick for me, because I have my eyes are kind of hooded, so it looks funny when I do like wing looks. So I have to like do the crease like even higher than what it normally is. So yeah, so let's do that. So next I'm going to be doing the liner. I'm going to be doing like stripes down the eye. I haven't decided how much I'm going to be doing. I did do a sketch. I'm looking at it right now. And the stripes are pretty thick. Excuse me, sorry. But yeah, I kind of don't want to do too much. I might also fill this in with eyeshadow. I might just do the lines, like outlines, and then fill them in with black eyeshadow. But I'll just be using this one from the Divine palette. This one's called Hard Magic. It's just black. You can use whatever black you want. But yeah, so I'm using the Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner and Trooper to outline the lines. Honestly, just the eyeliner. I think I need a new one because this one's been like giving out on me. Like sometimes it works, sometimes it won't. Like it gives out on me like halfway through a look, and I'm like, no. But yeah, so hopefully this doesn't give out on me this look. But whatever, we'll fix we can fix it with eyebrow pomade, or we can fix it with eyeshadow, anything. So yeah. Honestly, the lines took me forever. I kept messing them up. I had to keep fixing them. I would have to fix them with concealer, and then it just looked weird and open my eyes because my eyes are kind of hooded. So like I kind of got to like match my eyelids a little bit, not too much. So that way it looked like a straight line going down. But then when I close my eyes, it was just kind of crooked. So I like, keep like messing around with it. But this eye took a lot. It was like a lot more quicker than this eye. This one does look a little more funky though. But this is an eye photograph, so whatever. It doesn't really matter. Also, I'm be going out later, so I'm gonna try my best to make this look really good. So yeah, so anyway, so moving on, we're gonna be applying some eyeshadow underneath the eyes so that way it won't look so naked. We're gonna be using the Handbook for Recently Deceased eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna be using the shade Beetlejuice, which is like a lime green shade. I like this one, so we're gonna be using that one for underneath the eyes. We're gonna take a small crease brush for now, and then we'll use a bigger blending brush to blend it out. I also might use a little bit of white under the Divine palette to kind of help blend out the green, just a little bit. Okay, so next we're using this purple eyeliner from Ulta called Majesty. It came with a little kit that I received as a gift from my friend, and we're going to apply this onto the waterline. Next I'm using Kat Von D's tattoo liner again, and I'll be adding some eyeliner onto the inner corners of my eye. So I kind of add a little bit of darker green underneath the eyes to give it like a little more shadow, so it won't be like a flat out, just like a lime green. I used the Morphe 35B palette, and I just used this dark green shade. You can use whatever green you want. This is the darkest green I have, I think. I think that's the darkest green I have. So yeah, just use whatever dark green you have. And I kind of got a like angled brush, and I just kind of put it like right underneath the waterline, and then blended it out with a small blending brush. But anyway, so next is the eyebrows. So we're going to be using the Kat Von D's eyebrow pomade in graphite, and I'm using a small angled brush to do my eyebrows. Glitter on the inner corner. I feel like it would make the whole look kind of pull together, and I think it's also purple and green. It's kind of like Beetlejuice color, so I can't resist adding a little bit of purple. So yeah, so I'm using this purple glitter from Black Mage Beauty. I'll leave a link down to the shop down below, and I also have a discount code for you guys. It's Denise_Draven. So yeah, so I'll be sure to put the link down below, and also be sure to put my discount code so that way y'all guys can get a discount off your purchase. These are only $3, so, and plus with my discount, I think it's a 20% discount, I can't remember, but with my discount it will come out to you even less than that, so I think it's really awesome. And I think they have a Halloween bundle. They might have sold out by now, they might have restocked, I don't know yet. I don't know, ooh, some glitter everywhere. I don't know if it'll be out by then. Like, I heard they were restocking their Halloween bundle, and it was only $20, so it comes with all the Halloween glitters and the lips. They have 2 lip scrubs, I think, and I haven't purchased it yet, but I am planning to. I'm hoping they bring it back, but if not, then I'll just purchase them separately. I don't know. We'll see. I hope they bring it back, because I was kind of like a little low on money at the time, so I was like, I had to watch my money, so yeah. But whatever. But I got these glitters, that way I can start promoting for them, and these are very beautiful. I've used the red one. They have names. I don't remember their names, because like, I need to look it up, but yeah, this is a purple one. But be sure to check them out, Black Mage Beauty. I'll leave the link down below, and also be sure to use my discount code. So yeah, so anyway, so I'm gonna be using this little brush. I don't know, I don't even know what brush this is. Oh my goodness, why is it this brush? I had another cheaper brush somewhere. Or did I use this brush? I don't remember. Whatever, we'll use this brush. This is a tiny little painting brush, like a little face paint brush. And we're going to be using some eyelash glue to attach the glue. I know NYX makes a special glitter glue, and I want to check that out soon, because these are like the first loose glitters that I purchased, so yeah. But I think it sticks really well. Doesn't, like, no glitter comes off, so that's pretty good. So we're going to apply a little bit onto the inner corners of my eye. Okay, so next is the lashes, and I really want to use these spiderweb lashes. I bought these from Target and I've been dying to use them. I wasn't using them for another look and I decided not to, but I'm going to be applying these on her now, some eyelash glue, so yeah. Okay, so I'm super glad how the spiderweb lashes look. I think they pulled the whole look together and it looks awesome. But we also need to contour our face and add some lipstick. So first I'm going to be contouring our face. I might also add some highlight on after this too. But first we're going to be using a Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette. And I'm just using my two contour brushes. I'm using one to shape and sculpt my face. This one's just kind of like angled, and this one's just a tinier contour brush, which I use to blend. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So we're going to be highlighting our face, and also I'm going to be highlighting the eyebrow bones, like right underneath the eyebrows. I'm highlighting my cheekbones, and I think that's it. Think about what tip of my nose, but like, nah, I don't really want to do that. Maybe. I'll think about it. But anyway, so I'm using the Kat Von D's Alchemist palette. I don't know if y'all can see the pretty shininess. Oh no, my cat's about to fight. But anyway, so we're going to be using the shade Emerald, which is green. Oops. They really don't show up on camera, they just, there we go, you can see that one's kind of greenish, but yeah, I'll be using that one. I'll be using my finger to apply it on my cheekbones, and I'll be using a little flat brush to apply it underneath my eyebrows. I can't stop. Next, I'm going to be applying Kat Von D's thinner liquid lipstick onto my lips, and it's kind of like a dark purple, so yeah. Okay, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I had a ton of fun creating this. It was actually based on a sketch that I did. Let me pull it up. It's over here. Here it is. Of course the wing kind of looks smaller. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like how it turned out. It didn't... Actually, I think it turned out like almost practically how I imagined it. And I'm really happy with that. And I think it looks really cool. I'm about to go out to eat, so I'm probably going to get a lot of weird stares. Might get some compliments. We'll see. I'm a little worried, but whatever. It's okay. Who cares? Like, where I live, people won't literally judge me. Like, I wouldn't be out in stores without makeup sometimes. I'll just be wearing like black leggings and a black like band t-shirt, whatever. People still be like staring at me like, oh my dude, I'm like, this is like as casual as I can get. But also there's times where I'm like extra as hell and I'm just going to Target and I'm all dressed all nice and my makeup's all badass and people will be staring at me. And I do get some compliments too. I think the compliments definitely outshine all the nasty looks. So yeah. But this is a ton of fun creating this makeup tutorial. Beetlejuice is turning 30. It is the 30th anniversary of the movie Beetlejuice, so that's really cool. A lot of Beetlejuice stuff has been... I've been seeing a lot of people posting out Beetlejuice makeup, and Hot Topic has a bunch of Beetlejuice merchandise right now, and I'm like, I'm gonna go crazy at Hot Topic. Like, I want to buy everything. There's also these little sandworm pins that go in the hair, and I really want them so bad. Like the little hair sticks, and I really want to like just wear them with a messy bun or whatever, and just stick them in my bun. Like, I need them. But so far, the only thing I bought from the Beetlejuice collection was this eyeshadow palette, and I do love it. I think it looks really nice. I have a first impression / review and a makeup tutorial for this. I'll put the link down below. And I'm also gonna have a Lydia Dietz bride makeup tutorial, and I mainly use this palette too. And I think that's the only, I'm trying to think, I think that's the only makeup tutorials that I've filmed so far using this palette mainly. So I like this palette. It really did surprise me. It wasn't like cheap and chalky like how you imagine most Hot Topic palettes would be. So yeah. I'm actually really surprised by the shimmer shades, and the greens are really beautiful. I was mainly eyeing that green. Like, I love green eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm really glad that they all work really good, especially for the price. It was only $16.50 or $17, I can't remember, but it's a really good price for like a nice palette. So yeah, and then the packaging is really beautiful, so I definitely would recommend that palette. So yeah, so I think I had a ton of fun creating this eyeshadow, this eye makeup tutorial. Even though this eye took me forever to do it, the stripes, just take your time, guys. Like, I went a lot quicker with this eye, but this one did come out a little bit funkier, but I was just like, whatever with this eye, kind of. But also, I already had the hang of it at this point, so yeah. But also, just take your time with the lines. You can also, if you mess up, just go back in with concealer and like clean up the lines and add more eyeshadow over it, and you just gotta keep fixing and cleaning it. It's gotta work very slow. Try to keep your hand as steady as possible. Use the tiniest brushes you can find or whatever. So yeah, I think the little tiny brush I used actually ended up, instead of using a black eyeshadow, I ended up using the Kat Von D Eyebrow Pomade and worked just fine. Because the eyeshadow wasn't dark enough for me. Honestly, like I want something like really dark, so I just started using the Kat Von D Eyebrow Pomade, and I used a really tiny brush to just like slowly just carve it out, and then I kept messing it up. Then I tried to like, and then I opened my eyes and I realized like the lines looked weird, like they looked like, I don't know how to explain it, like they were the line was kind of like go that way, so I kind of fixed it because my eyelids are a little weird. So I went back and fixed it. I worked with my own eyelids, so you just gotta like work around your own eyelids, see what works best, you know. You just gotta like take your time on this. Don't do it like in a rush or whatever, otherwise it'll be messy. Luckily I have enough time to finish this, so yeah. So I'm probably gonna change her now, and probably about to week. My sister did get a job at Target, so yay, good for her. It's her first job, so you guys, what did I say? Congratulate her or whatever down in the comments. She also edited some of my Halloween makeup tutorials, and y'all see, I'll credit her down in my description so that way y'all guys know who edited the video. Some of them I did edit myself, and then there's some where she did edit. So, and her edits are amazing. You'll be able to tell. It won't be like the old fade in black, like fade in black, fade out black, whatever. Like her editing is awesome. Like her skills are amazing. I'm gonna be able to do that. That's because I edit in Movie Maker. She uses Sony Vegas, so that's probably why. But even if I could use Sony Vegas, I probably wouldn't be that good. I mean, it would take me a little practice too. It would take me practice to edit, so yeah. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this eye makeup tutorial. If you guys do recreate it, be sure to tag me on Instagram and Twitter. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Denise Draven, as always. I have a little down in my description. I have all my usernames on there, so y'all can check it out. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I usually post a lot of makeup looks on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on there. And tell me what you guys think about this look in the comments. I'm pretty sure I said that already. Also be sure to leave a like on this video, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!